How to download FIFA 23 on PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of downloading FIFA 23 on your PS4. So make sure to stick around until the end to avoid any missing important details. If you are ready to download FIFA 23 on PS4, the first thing you will need to do is open the PlayStation Store. Once you have launched the PlayStation Store, head over to the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, click on the search bar and type in FIFA. As you type, you will see a list of search results appearing on the right hand side of the screen. However, these initial results might not be what we are looking for. So to find the FIFA 23, you simply need to scroll down until you locate the correct game. Now, you may notice that the latest release, FIFA 24, is also available. If you are interested in the new edition, feel free to check that out and explore other available bundles as well. And once you have selected FIFA 23, simply follow the prompts to purchase and download the game. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.